If you are a sales guy who is doing hundreds of meetings each month, I am going to make your life very easy with the analysis, with AI analysis. Wouldn't it be great if you can chat with all of those meetings with just one go by using your same Claude? Sometimes what happen is like we have 10, 20 meetings with a client in past 2 3 months, but now we have to compile everything, we have to prepare a lot of documentation. But it would be a lot good if we have those 20 meetings context before going to our next meeting with the same client. So I'm going to show you a free way that I am using and how this process has evolved over time and how you can use it. So basically this is a group, for either you are doing this meeting on Zoom, Google Meet, or you are recording it yourself. Just record the meeting, have that file and upload it into Slack. Most of the teams are already using Slack. If you don't, you should start using it. The best feature is in Slack free plan, they provide the transcript free of cost. So my team keep uploading all of our closest meetings in this channel, and we can access everything from here. Then there are multiple AI agents running. Number one agent that take the transcript, that do the analysis, what is here for closer, the notes for project manager, the notes for developer, and the key points that we discussed. I will show you that point as well. The main thing is, as we got the recording in Slack and we have generated this transcript by clicking on this CC button, the transcript is generated. Now there we can build a very small workflow in anytime. Let me just show you. So here I have my anytime workflow. What is doing is it is taking Slack history. You just have to connect your Slack credentials. It is taking history of this particular channel because all meetings are coming in this channel, and it is taking history of all of it. Currently I just set the limit to 2 so that we can test it very fast. After that it is applying a filter. The filter is mainly checking um, item.json.files.vtt. So this vtt is that caption file that we generated here. If a message has this file, then continue, otherwise ignore. So for example, if I just send a message, hi, hello, what are you doing, so these messages will be ignored. If the message will only, the workflow will only continue if it has this vtt file. Let me just show you this vtt. So this is a file that has all of that captions. Okay, let's move. After that, it is just adding a loop so that we can process all of the files in one go, downloading the transcript and then pushing it to a Supabase. Supabase is a database that is, you can imagine it like a Google Sheet advanced version. How it is much better than Google Sheet? Because with Supabase you can do SQL like commands. So for example, if I have 1,000 meetings in Google Sheet and if I have 1,000 meeting records in Supabase, and I do a query from Claude from both, hi, bring me alpha beta client meetings and tell me the context of the last 20 meetings and how we are proceeding. When it will be using Supabase, it will use very less money, very less token. But when it will be bringing from Google Sheet, it will use a lot of token, because when it is processing Google Sheet, it is taking all data. But when it is processing Supabase, it is taking only the relevant data by applying a SQL query, by working as a data agent. So it will just search like alpha beta, and from 1000 record we have 20 records. So those 20 records will be searched and given to AI to do the analysis. And once we have it, then you can just ignore these two nodes, and then it is running again and again repeatedly so that we can save it. Now if I go to Supabase, here is how I am getting all of this context. We are getting meeting title, Slack message, transcript. Transcript is an important thing. These things are coming from some other workflows, but the transcript and meeting title and file name are the important stuff that we got here. Okay, now let's go to Claude. When you come to Claude, here you need to connect your Supabase. If you click on plus connector, so from here you can connect your Supabase. My account is already connected, so let's start chat. Hi. Hi, can you tell me if by checking my Supabase, particularly meeting transcripts table, and see the meetings that Avas has done in last 2 3 4 weeks, and tell me particularly the topics that are in trend related to AI automation, what type of problem statements client are bringing. Don't disclose client name, just tell me the bigger picture, or bigger areas or industries where AI automations are being applied, and what type of problems client are bringing. Okay, so let's see how it works. First it will go to Supabase. It got the project, it got the table. In Supabase we have project, then we have table, and inside table it will list, it will do the SQL query, it will run a SQL query. So this is how it's running. If we do the same thing with Google Sheet, it will read whole Google Sheet and will consume a lot of our tokens. I am doing all of this analysis on $20 plan. Okay, so from last 4 weeks of recordings, what we are getting is The cold email AI outreach related systems are in trend. Legal AI HIPAA compliant rack system for lawyers, custom operations and automation platforms. Okay, AI calling agents, um, trading inventory management, web apps with. So I don't remember like all of these things. I just know the clients, I know their projects, but I can run this analysis. This is a very general analysis, mainly when I will be going in a client meeting. What I want is, hi, can you bring me all of the meeting summary context from alpha beta client, particularly what were the action points from last meeting. So it is able to bring all of it. And other than Claude, I am not paying to anyone. Slack is free, N8N is running free of cost on Supabase, sorry, on Hostinger, and then the data is coming here. So this is just one workflow that can save hundreds of your hours. Do share your comments about this, either you like it or not, and what type of problems you are facing in your business, and you want to automate. Would love to know about that, and we can talk that in the next video.